So what is the sum of the interior angles of all triangles? Do you remember? You may or you may not. Let's investigate and see if we can prove what it is. So here's one way we might be able to measure the interior angles of many triangles to determine the sum of each triangle's interior angle measures. Let's try it with these triangles drawn below. So take these triangles. You might need to extend the lines of the triangles so you could read them on your protractor, like I did in this triangle. Label each one of those angles and then find the sum. So for example, measure each one of these angles and then sum them and see what the interior angles of the following triangles are. Pause the video and then move on. This is about what I got approximately. If you measured them and you were within 1 or 2 degrees, that would be fine. So about all angles in this triangle measured 60 degrees. These 3 measured 30, 60, 90. These were 65, 75, and 40. And 15, 145, and 20 degrees. And you might be thinking, oh, this reminds me of the types of triangles. Maybe you classified this as an equilateral triangle. Maybe you classified this as a right scalene triangle. Maybe you classified this as an acute scalene triangle. And maybe you classified this triangle as an obtuse scalene triangle. But what you might have noticed is when you summed all of those angles, you might get something interesting. I got 180 degrees, or real close to 180 degrees, on all of the interior angle sums. Are you convinced? Did this prove it to you that the interior angles of any triangle is 180 degrees? Why or why not? Well, I'm not really convinced. Maybe my measurements were off by a degree or two, so it's hard to show or prove that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle are 180 degrees. Watch the next video and see another way that we can investigate the sum of interior angles. Thanks for watching.